talk. Okay. I have a big mission on the second day. I have a big mission. I need you guys to get the video. It's almost here uploading. Well, it's almost done uploading with me, but by the time you guys see it, you're gonna see it. So, yeah, get it to 30 likes. And if you don't, I'm not saying my age ever. If you guys don't get it to 30 likes, click of a button. No hate. One like. No is like. Okay? And make sure to subscribe. Trust me, you guys will really want to subscribe to me, because I will be doing lots of funny things and fun things on my YouTube channel. So, if I was you, I would subscribe. I know that I only got 3, 4 videos, 5, but it's okay, because I will have like hundreds